Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how many RAM slots does HP OMEN Transcend 14 have. And unfortunately there's no slots since this laptop has the RAM memory soldered to the motherboard. I think it's even on the SoC, which means that it's the system on a chip. So in one chip there is the CPU and the RAM. So there's a chance that this CPU this RAM cannot be replaced whatsoever. So if you didn't buy this laptop yet, just decide whether you want that 16 gigabytes or maybe there's a higher version with more RAM. Just decide how much RAM you want, because it won't be replaceable in the future. But if you're really just wondering how many chips of RAM there are 2 of them. So this is basically everything. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.